Hello! We'll present a short program to show how the robot stops itself in case of collision when we do not set the optimal environment with Moveit. Firstly, we have to set the Ethernet connection with the real robot using UR robot driver ROS package provided by Universal Robots. In order to launch or bring up that launch file, we have to provide the robot IP. We also must start a UR program on the robot for the operation to be complete, and what I've just showed are the possible topics we can work with after the process is complete. Once we have the connection ready, we can start Moveit by launching Rviz together with the motion planning plugin and some other helpful files which makes Moveit complete, such as planning context.launch and movegroup.launch. Here you can see the robot in an environment without collision objects, so it will behave as there is no obstacle around. Let me put this here. And now I'll start a program which makes the robot execute 5 moves in an infinite loop until someone stops the program. You'll see that for each move, a message announcing if the execution was successful will appear in the terminal. And in Rviz is shown the movement of the robot and the initial pose. The third position is harmful for the robot, but because it cannot see it in Rviz, Moveit will make the robot do it as the planning was successful. You can see an error message that states the fact that the manipulator is in state 4, meaning that it has reached a position that endangers the robot. What is important is that the robot automatically stopped itself when it collided with the table due to its emergency protocol. The protective stop was activated, and now we can enable the robot again, and the safe option is to set the joints to lead the robot in a safe position. We can do this from its interface or from the computer, but for now I will just modify the shoulder joint value using the provided interface. And now we can continue with our work. Once the robot is in a proper position, and in the next video I'll show you how Moveit can actually help us if the setup for the environment is correctly implemented. So that's it. Thank you.